Sorry. It's that good. Oh my goodness. I was looking online to try to find a pumpkin bread to make that was low carb, sugar free, and keto friendly. And I found one. It's called the Ultimate Paleo and Keto Pumpkin Bread. And this I found on numnum.com. I'm going to make it dairy free though, so I have to substitute some of the ingredients. And we'll see if it turns out. Okay, so I've got our ingredients out, and I know it looks like an overwhelming amount of ingredients. It kind of is, but we're going to go through them one at a time. So we've got almond flour and coconut flour. Then flaxseed meal. This is flax seeds that have been ground up. Psyllium husk. It's going to thicken and absorb moisture. And it also is packed with fibers. Then we have pumpkin pie spice and baking powder, kosher salt. Now in place of the butter, I'm going to substitute coconut oil. And then I have my coconut cream here. And we have eggs, pumpkin puree, ground ginger. She says for the ginger glaze to use 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. I don't have that, so I looked online and it said you can substitute 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger for 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. And then we have the Swerve powdered sugar. This is a sugar substitute, and as well as brown sugar replacement and apple cider vinegar. Okay, next we're going to cream our coconut oil and the coconut cream along with the brown sugar. And by the way, I just preheated my oven to 350, so hopefully this will be done soon and we can get something in there. Mix it. Stop and scrape down the sides. Then I'll put in the pumpkin puree. Now I'll put the last of our dry mixture in. It says mix for 2 to 3 minutes until everything's fully incorporated and the batter is elastic-like. Yeah, it's done. This looks good. Okay, before we get too far, we better taste test it. Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be really good. I don't think we need to add any more sugar. Then we need to put the batter into our pan. And I'm just going to smooth it out. Try to get it evenly distributed. Next, we want to put this in the oven. So 15 minutes have gone by, and I'm checking my bread to see if it's turning golden, and it looks like it is. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it with foil now. I'm going to put it back in. Okay, our pumpkin bread has been in the oven for about 55 minutes, so I'm going to check on it and see. It's looking pretty good. It's smelling really good. I'd say just a little bit longer because it's not completely clean. Okay, so I think my bread's finally done. So I left this in here for a long time. I would say the full 70-some minutes is probably what you want to do. So what I've been doing every 10 minutes or so is just sticking a toothpick in and seeing if it comes out clean. And it finally is coming out clean. So the sides are really brown. I hope it's not going to be burnt. But what I'm going to do is put it on this rack to cool. Probably going to be really hot. You just got to be quick. Okay, now we're making the glaze for our pumpkin bread. So the directions say to mix the grated ginger, with a tablespoon of water and let rest for 10 minutes. But I'm using ground ginger, so I'm going to mix that with the water. And I don't know why we'd have to let it rest for 10 minutes. I don't think we do. I don't know what the purpose of that is. So here's our powdered sugar substitute and our ginger and water, a pinch of kosher salt. I don't know what sieving the ginger juice really means. So I'm just going to whisk until it's fully incorporated. Definitely needs more water because it's like a dough and it's supposed to be a glaze. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of water at a time. See if we can't get this to look like a glaze. That's looking pretty good. It says drizzle over pumpkin bread, so I don't know if this is drizzleable. That's really good. Oh, that's excellent. Sorry, it's that good. Oh my goodness. I've never had a ginger drizzle sweet sauce before. That's amazing. Okay, how do I drizzle this? A tablespoon and just, I'm not quite sure how to do this. Maybe it's too thick. There. So I'm just gonna frost it, I guess. It's gonna be delicious no matter what. Okay, I just can't wait to dig into this thing. This looks so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna cut into this just a little bit. It's a little hard, I'm not gonna lie, on the sides. The inside is kind of spongy, so that's good, right? The inside's not hard, so the outside is hard and crunchy, but the inside is soft and moist. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll try one of these non-end pieces. Ooh, that kind of looks like the consistency of banana bread. You can see that. Yeah, it really reminds me of banana bread. And the smell of it does too. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah. The end pieces might not be the best because they just got a little too done. But the insides, with that glaze on there, oh yeah. I could eat this whole loaf tonight. It's so good. Oh my gosh. The ultimate paleo and keto pumpkin bread. It is ultimate. It is delicious. Highly recommended. If you guys like this video, show me some love. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You guys have to make this. Have to.